Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you Typing Club. It is a great resource to practice your typing, so I want you to be able to use it. So in your Google Classroom under additional resources, there's going to be this link for Typing Club, and it'll bring you up to Typing Club. You'll sign in with your Google account, and this went right in. So don't worry about upgrading to a premium. This is what your Fairfax County Public School Google site allows. So Typing Jungle, if you press start, it'll ask you to take the placement test. So you'll click on the placement test, start test, and that'll help the program decide where you're at and what kind of lessons you should do. And then it'll take you to a lesson. A little example. I started with K, H, and I have to put a space, otherwise if I keep going, it'll tell me I'm wrong. And it'll say that I have practice needed, so it'll ask me to continue, and it'll take me to the first lesson. If you take the placement test and you get much further, you might get put in the third lesson, or the fifth, or the seventh. It all depends on what level you're at right now. So if you want some extra typing practice, this is a great resource. It is not required in any way, but I think it would be really great if you practiced your typing, especially if you are working on writing or answering questions or typing meaningful sentences or typing personal information.